at a time.
If I gave you the tablet, would you be so happy?
By Target.
Would that help your boredom mind?
I think he wants to know what you're having.
Wendy's
Would
spicy Santa
would it help
Fe.
you?
Plenty of heat. I had all that.
Wendy's new spicy Santa Fe cheese.
You're being interviewed.
Flavors of the Southwest.
Colton Pearson, why are you so frustrated and bored?
Millions of Americans have made deception to use
Everybody's on electronics, and I'm not. I want to do something with the family, but you guys
not.
are being lazy.
I'm videoing you.
Lazy little people.
And I was texting Grandma. And watching the Golden Globes.
Doesn't matter.
And trying to feel better from having the flu for a week.
And I'm trying to feel better from having this for a week. But no, because I can't. Because I'm stupid.
Oh, you're not stupid.
Then prove that to myself.
Well, how?
But they're able to capture brutal interrogations, falsely
How? Why do you think that you're stupid?
as if we were eyewitness to it all.
I don't know. You figure it out.
Zero Dark 30.
Is that your spaceship? Why don't you do a little dance or sing a little song?
That would be stupid. Us guys don't sing songs.
Yeah, you sing song. You sing pretty good.
I'm gonna do that when I'm
What? You might be careful. You might go right flat in your face.
Would you like to see that so that would be entertaining for you?
No?
That would be probably more entertaining than that crap.
Well, so far you're pretty much more entertaining. That's why I'm entertaining. I'm trying to tame him.
Oh.
It's working, kinda.
Until he breaks that basket, you get mad at him for it.
Yeah, exactly. Then
Not true?
Possible though.
Do you want to be grounded for a week?
no. Do I want to go to school for a week? No.
Well, you are.
salmon fishing
It's
in
a
the
perfect exercise for you guys.
Good, you do that. That's a great idea. Exercise is good for your brain. It makes you smart, not stupid.
Now you're making me more stupid.
Why? How did it make you more stupid? Why don't you sing a song while you jump around? Why are you looking at me so funny?
Because.
'Cause why? Why don't you sing a song?
Can you believe this woman?
Sing a song.
No.
Sing Justin Bieber.
No.
Yeah. Sing it.
You're embarrassing.
Sing it.
No.
Beauty and the Bee. Sing it.
It's Beauty and the Bee, but I don't want
Why?
Because you're
Walk out, man.
I'm trying to make it so you can't.
See. Sing. You want me to sing? Beauty and the Bee. How's that go? Is that how it goes?
It's not even close.
Well, tell me how close. You show me. Show me how to do it.
No.
Why?
Because
Why?
you're going to post this on Facebook.
Nah.
Liar.
Maybe YouTube.
On YouTube for the world to see.
Yeah. So why don't you break out? Justin Bieber is my favorite.
Why don't you tell everybody the truth?
Come on. All right. You're a wuss. You don't want to sing how. You're a good singer.